Welcome back to Maximus Reactus, where we go big, react bigger, and break down the moments that move the game. Maximus Reactus in the building. Let's go straight into it. We've got the Magic and the 76ers. Now, the Pistons are on top of the NBA Cup for the NBA Emirates Cup. They're up 2-0 with a point differential of 27. Magic are also tied with them, but are 7 points behind for second place. And the Sixers are dead last with the worst point differential. Time to lock in Philly, or will they get steamrolled? Look at the cup, man. $500,000 on the line. This regular season, nothing matters. Only the cup matters. 500K. Bane bumping. Reverse jelly for Bane T-Rex arms. Edwards, the Philly native, gets 3. Suggs attacking and laying. Wagner bumps, lays, Maxey behind his back. Dishes, Grimes, swings, McCain. I see you, Duke, man. Jalen Suggs flexing on Drummond's little ass. Suggs playing like a point guard. He said, I had my Advil today. Screaming and flexing on a putback layup. Fair. You have every right to do that, young man. Maxey, Watford, fake hands off, bumping. Watford walking down Wagner. Black swatted. Grimes pushing. Suggs with the grimy foul on Grimes. Maxey missing. Wagner puts this to Suggs. Suggs to Black.
Barbecue chicken alert! Barbecue chicken alert!
Man, I'm telling you, this Black guy, man, he's tough. I like Black, man. So it's alley-oop. Rookie Rubio going crazy. Maxey, madness. Maxey with the lay. Lowry loving it. Tyrese, what you got? McCain? Mr. TikToks is back. The Duke man. Quickly misses Rubio. He changed up his whole game, bro. Grimes baseline. Got stripped by Black and still made that. Baines. Arms too big for the sport. Unlucky. Edwards. The Philly hammer with the jam. Jones. Assisted by Mr. Black. Yo, you guys remember Johnny Test? Quick nostalgia hit. Remember how the agents were named Mr. White and Mr. Black? But the black guy was Mr. White, and the white guy was Mr. Black. Grimes. Rubio got his head smashed off. Black 3. Over Gordon, still in the lead. Jones, pull up. Man, these guys want that fucking head. Black bump. Step through. Mr. Black, I see you. I'm telling you, this Black guy, he's tough. Maxey? Maxey, if you don't dunk that. Maxey with the quick leg. Wendell on Drummond. Drummond, it is not 2016, bro. Jones, Baines, one more, Black, jab step, step back 3, corner. This Black guy. This Black guy. He is so tough. McCain, pound dribble, one step. Outside hand on Suggs. Get over here. This black guy. This black guy. Wow. Talking about wanting 500K. Suggs. Black. This black guy, bro. You let Andre Drummond give you an open jump shot. I'm letting this fly, bro. AB. I probably shouldn't call him AB. Oh, they just shoved Black to the ground. Bang, step back. Everybody having their way with Drummond. Bane, big boy move. Uses those T-Rex arms to good use. LeBron shrug on him. Suggs to Wagner, one step. Outside hand lay on Maxey's head. McCain, attacking left, step back mid-range. Hey, for the sophomore. Good to see him back, man. Did he get hit in the nuts? Or did he just... I don't know what happened there. I'm sure this was... The black guy has a new career high in the first quarter? How? Well, obviously he's black. VJ's injured. I'm just gonna tell you guys this right now, man. This is a message to VJ Edgecombe. You've seen the Sixers' history and their medical staff. Do I even need to elaborate? Markelle Fultz, Ben Simmons, Embiid, PG. I know you got that NIL money, bro. You got paid in college. Seek your own doctors. I would not trust the Sixers medical staff, even if they paid me money to go. I've seen the results. Of stars, by the way. #1 picks, by the way. They don't care. Didn't they have a rookie trainer taking care of Embiid and Simmons? Yeah, this is a blowout. Maybe I should skip to the end. What do you guys think? I don't know. Maybe we'll watch. I want to see more of this black guy. Howard with the kadoosh. Yo, Maxey. Are you trying to tell us that VJ Edgecombe is this good that he would have had you guys blowing him out? Because you guys would have normally beat these guys. Suggs with the nasty rejection. And just stole it, Wagner. The masked man to Suggs to Wendell. Did he just try to recreate the LeBron meme?
This guy stinks!
Did he just really try to do that?
Get over here!
Isn't this what LeBron did with D-Wade? Except D-Wade was on this side and LeBron came from the right side. I think it was in Sacramento in 2011. Hey, we'll take it, man. I've seen enough. Welcome back, LeBron and D-Wade. Isn't it Wendell Carter dating WNBA star? Or Victoria's Secret model? Something like that. Let me know. Baines with the steal.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Black dunks everything, but decides to lay that up. It's fine. Bane laid Grimes. McCain, what do you got? Drummond corner 3. Tell me we're in 2025 without telling me we're in 2025. Drummond, I know, would never shoot threes. 8. De Silva, nasty dunk. Wagner lays with the left. No Paulo tonight either. Black, what do you got? Yo, you heard him on the sideline. He said, yo, that's so tough. Black guy with the dunk.
Has a chance for his first ever 30-piece.
He's never had 30. I'm actually kind of surprised. Wagner. Is that Kelly Oubre? I feel like he hasn't scored at all. Pump us up, he will, with the assist. Wendell, screen and roll with Bane. Bane corner the masked man. Splashdown. Look at the score, bro. Are the Magic just saving all their powers for the 500K? I don't blame them. 500K is 500K, bro. Philly at home, fans booing. You know those Philly fans are toxic. Couldn't be my team. Lame. Yo, I never asked you guys, what's your favorite team? What are you guys cheering for in the NBA? You guys already know. I'm with the guys, man. You know, I'm with the guys. Let me know, comment down your favorite team. Grimes, Gordon. Eric Gordon's still in the league. He did recover from that crazy injury when he was on the Clippers, bro. Black, Rubio, Delay, Walker, Maxey, Madness. Even though and that cuts the lead to 50.
Barbecue chicken alert! Barbecue chicken.
Shout out to Andrew Black? Anthony Black, I think. Mr. Black. 30-piece McNuggets. Shout out to the black guy, man. And for 500K? Bro saw 500K and said, I bet. Shout out to Alan Silver with the NBA Cup, man. Get me in the cup, bro. I'm trying to win 500K. I'll probably average like, what is there, like 4 rounds of elimination? In 4 NBA games, in like probably 2 quarters of play, I could probably average like a calm, humble 12 points, 5 assists, 5 rebounds. Humbly. And disrespectfully. A loud 15. Tyus Jones beats the buzzer and just bullies the Sixers. And like, you can't give up in this situation because the point differential. Like, Philly is so bad when it matters. The NBA playoffs, Embiid's never gotten to the Eastern Conference Finals. Sixers lost in the finals with AI. Now with the NBA Cup, 500K on the line, 0-2. Whenever the lights get bright, man, Philly, they fold. No brotherly love on this game. Or any big game, not really. Walker walking to the cup, jams at home. Who are these guys, by the way, for the Magic? Nice dunk. Like, there's no, like, the Magic are doing this with no Paolo, no, aren't they missing another guy too? Wait, are the Magic better without Paolo? I know people are gonna start being toxic. You know what I mean? Probably not, but Jared McCain lays it off the glass. I'm gonna have to 2x this, brothers. Rubio with the dunk. McCain just got pinned. Whoa. I was not expecting a slam. Bro looks like he's about the shortest dude on the court. But goes upstairs. Very comfortable. I mean, yeah, this is their season high. We've scored this. Eric Gordon, just bowling. They want Kyle Lowry. Yo, you see the guy in the back? You see? Yo, you see this guy in the back? Yo, look at bro.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Look at bro. Yo, PG's like, I'm definitely talking about this on the podcast. I'm gonna have a whole backstory for this, everything, man. That's what PG's thinking. This guy is just, yeah, he's bugging. L-teammate, bro. And he's grabbing PG. What is up with Philly, bro? I feel bad for Maxey and DJ. Just because management is an L. What did James Harden say? I will never play for Daryl Morey again. He is a liar. Something like that, right, James? Well, this is a good old-fashioned belt to ass. I just realized Anthony Black dropped 30 in 3 quarters and then sat the 4th. There he is, the black guy. 41-point beatdown for the best team now in Group B, overtaking the Pistons, unless they win. But that point differential really did it in for them. This was very unlucky for Philly. I don't think they will ever recover. No 500K for them. Let's see, Edwards with Philly needed had 13. Drummond had 3 points. Grimes only had 8. 6 for 6 from the free throw. So that means he only made 1 shot, 1 for 9. Talk about a bad night. Even Maxey, he didn't even play bad. 20 points. Nah, 4 assists is actually bad, because he usually gets like 7, 8. 1 rebound was kind of crazy. Looks like the Magic's D was just way better. Yeah, they had Aaron Gordon 10. Jaden McCain with 15 off the bench, nice. The mass man, Franz Wagner, 21. 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, nice. Da Silva had 10, 4 and 3, nice. Wendell Carter Jr. had 12 and 8, not bad. I'd definitely like to see 12 and 10, for sure. But, I mean, he only played 22 minutes, that's not even, he easily would have had that then. T-Rex Arms had 15, 6 assists, 2 boards. Jalen Suggs, 4 points. The highlights made it seem like he had way more than that. I heard something about him. We're gonna react to that next. He did something, I don't know. But he did have 11 assists though. Nice. So Anthony Black came off the bench. He didn't even start. And he did play 28 minutes. 31 points. 3 assists, 1 rebound. You guys think Anthony Black is top 20? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and join the Maximus Empire. Remember, go big, react bigger. I'm Max. Catch you in the next one.